We are out and about looking for things. We are in the middle of a home design, so we're doing our check-in. Just trying to find some organizing things right now. You know, look. We are in the car currently on our way to find some more things for this Joy's, what is it, studio. Okay, we will be back soon to talk with you guys. She uses these. She uses those to cover, well, basically as a cover for the background.
Okay.
So she said we can get rid of it if we want to. So it's just kind of up to what we want to do with that. And then the books, she wants to keep the books up there.
Okay, so we'll do something.
So we'll figure, so we'll get that together. And her affirmation board, which is very important for her. So, and this is where we have headphones at.
No, this has to go.
Yes, that has to
You
go.
have to change this. It can't be on a little pin. I will change that.
Okay. And maybe I wonder about getting maybe like a different, like a color that matches
What we're putting in here.
The colors that she wants, because she wanted turquoise. Well, her themes are turquoise and yellow, so she wanted something in that family.
Okay, so we're sticking with.
So we will make it work. Yes.
Okay.
And then we have her mask. Oh, I didn't ask her if she wanted to keep this up here. I should have asked her if she wanted to keep her mask there. We'll probably have to move it. Okay, we'll have to move that. Just so we can make sure your studio is fire. Okay, so we might need that. Okay.
We can get a gold.
Oh yeah. We can get something else that goes to court. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to move everything out.
So I think I'm going to take this bar down too.
Okay, so we're taking the bar down.
Move all of this.
Just moving everything out. So what does she have in here? Okay, we have some things that she uses
This storage.
storage. So maybe we'll put what she had up there for the colors. We can put it in this bin
Right, so she can always pull it out.
Yes.
All right, so we're going to take out her